With the Pro 5 barrier fabric, I install with a lip like towards the house, and then I install it with an overlap over the front edge back towards the house or towards your area that you're putting your aggregate installation in. You're going to want a 1 inch lip on the back side, and that 1 inch lip allows you to put the stone in at 2 inches, and the 1 inch lip keeps the weeds and everything from coming out and up along the back side of your project. Your stone's going to be up 2 inches, so it will cover the fabric and then come up past it, also hiding it. So make sure that you have that lip in. If I overlap the front edge and I install my aggregate and then I cut, the cut will be precise, because some of your aggregate having to be in there in order to weight it all down perfectly will keep your cuts perfect along the front edge of your bed. Most standardly, people mow along that edge, so you want that below that surface edge, that way it doesn't get tangled up in your mower and your blades.